Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix side mirrors on your Tesla Model 3 if they are not unfolding or seem stuck. First, let's try a mirror motor reset using the main screen. Sit in the driver's seat and make sure the car is on. On the touchscreen, tap Controls, then tap Mirrors. This section allows you to adjust and reset the mirrors. When you open this menu, the system recalibrates the mirror motors. This can clear small errors and help the mirrors unfold normally again. If the mirrors are still stuck, try toggling the autofold feature. Go to Controls and look for Mirror Autofold. Turn this setting off. Sometimes repeated automatic folding can confuse the motor if it is already stuck. You can also press the Fold and Unfold button twice in a row to force the system to respond. If the problem happens during cold weather, ice may be blocking the hinge. In this case, do not force the mirror open. You can use a hairdryer or a de-icer spray to gently melt the ice. Another easy option is to open the Tesla app and turn on defrost mode. Preheating the car warms the mirrors and can melt ice inside the hinge mechanism. If the mirror was hit or frozen before, it may be out of sync. With the car unlocked, gently move the mirror by hand back into its normal position. Move it slowly until you feel it click into place. Thanks for watching.